How to use Walmart Cash. In order to use Walmart Cash, you must first earn it by clipping a manufacturer's offer in the Walmart app or through affiliated programs like the Walmart Money Card, and then redeem it for purchase online or in store. So, to earn Walmart Cash, you want to sign into your account on walmart.com or Walmart app, log into your account. Then you want to go to the account section from the bottom right corner of the screen. Here you just want to click or tap onto get more next to your Walmart Cash. So here you should be able to find the Walmart Cash over here. You tap onto that option. Now here you just want to claim the offer by selecting the get Walmart Cash box. The offer is saved to your account, and purchase the item as you normally would. Once your order is fulfilled, you could deliver or pick up. The Walmart Cash will be added to your balance. And that's how you're going to use Walmart Cash in your mobile app. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.